Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Really appreciate it. We have a few things that we need to do today. One of them is fixing this garage door. We need to feed the sheep. I got to fix something on the chicken coop. And there's a few other smaller things that we need to get done. So let's get started. See, the issue is that during winter time, snow comes through there. And then it sort of gets everywhere inside the workshop here. Now, I'm not going to be able to completely seal this up, but could be a lot better. There used to be an opening here, which I've closed up since. Now this top that I've put here is not airtight, but it is windproof. This has helped a lot, of course, because you don't get that drag from that side and over to this side. But I would still like to close up this gap up top here. When the snow arrives here, you need some space in order to be able to open the door, right? It can't be all the way to the ground. I could have put something along the floor, but then I would have like a small ledge that I would have to drive over. And the blue tractor just barely gets in here. There's like an inch to that bearing there when I drive in here. So now what I really should do is mount a garage door here, which I do have, by the way. It's just quite a bit of work, and I need to get the garage door all the way up to the ceiling so that it doesn't take away any height between the door and the floor. So for now, I'm just going to take some of these slabs, cut them to length, and mount them up top on the door there. That's the plan anyway. Quick and easy. All right, I think that's pretty good. I mean, it was kind of quick and dirty, but at least it's a whole bunch more snow tight, for lack of a better word. And this is the outside. You can sort of see that it looks a little bit weird. I don't think it's too bad. I'm betting quite a bit of snow is going to collect on top of the original door. As I said, this thing is kind of jank, and I would like to install a garage door if I can figure out how to. But regardless, this is going to be a lot better than having it wide open. All right, well, that's it for this job. Let's fix the chicken coop, and then we got to tend to the sheep. There's a chick on the outside for some reason, and she can't seem to get back in. She probably got over here, because they can sort of jump up on this and then jump down on the other side. So might have to do some netting over here. So what I'm going to do is put some of those roofing plates on top of the secondary enclosure here, so that they get a bit more area that's covered by roof. think that's pretty decent. I'm a bit worried about the snow load, on this thing, but we'll see what happens. Hello, sheep. Are you hungry? I'll take that as a yes. This feeding situation right here is temporary, but next year it's going to be a lot easier and a lot less work, even though we're going to have more sheep. I cleaned this out yesterday with soap and water, so it's going to be fine for today. Tomorrow I might have to clean it again. Ja.
Oi, dette var annerledes.
Ja, det var knusktørt.
Og så store
Ja.
biter.
Ja, det var det.
Det blir bra.
Ja, jeg tror det er sånn tålig. Veldig grovt og veldig tørt.
Jeg håper ikke de andre er så tørre eller så grove som det.